Good morning, everyone! Today, we're going to crack the code of the least common multiple, LCM. Let's find the LCM of 4 and 6. We start by listing the multiples of each number, like this. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12. Then we find the smallest number that is in both lists. See? Look! It's 12. They both share 12, and it's the smallest one. Exactly! Now, can you apply that to another example? Find the LCM of 3 and 5. If we list the multiples, for 3 we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. For 5 we have 5, 10, 15, 20. Fantastic work! The LCM is 15. You've successfully found the common ground. Time for a quick review. To find multiples, we can skip count by the number, or multiply the number by 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. In numbers that have the same multiples, the lowest of those common ones is the LCM, a classic solution for a timeless lesson. Like and subscribe to @GeniusPlusTwins.